The vessel has been a journey, one of perseverance, faith, and learning to see life through the right perspective. It taught me to trust the process, to endure, and to believe in a provision greater than my own. But as with all things, even the greatest stories must come to an end. Not as a close, but as a transition. Because endings are just beginnings in disguise. Now, it's time to start anew, to embrace the growth ahead. The story continues. Welcome to What's Next. Kamusta kayo? Long time no see. So welcome back to the channel. Paano ba ako magsimula? So I guess simulan natin to by ending the last series. So tapusin na natin ang The Vessel. But hindi ko naman tatapusin maging Vessel. So gusto ko lang yung linawin. Tapusin ko lang yung The Vessel series. Parang yun na yung magandang ending talaga sa series na yon, yung prep na yon. So looking back, in retrospect, yes, maganda rin na nangyari na yung prep. Marami akong natutunan, marami akong na-realize, and I guess it needed to happen para mas magkaroon ako ng new perspective going into this growth season. So, ayun, for this series, expect nyo na i-document ko lahat ng pwedeng i-grow. So, ayun, yun yung main main focus ng series na to. And lahat may be sa bodybuilding, sa character, lahat ng pwedeng i-improve, ipag-grow, yun yung i-focus natin. So, ayun, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to The Vessel, and it's time for growth. Sige, recap tayo ng past few weeks. So, it's been almost 3 weeks since the last competition. Hindi ako nakapag-film kasi masyadong marami nangyari sa aking personal life na I won't tell you guys na I won't bore you about it. But anyway, yun, hindi ako nakapag-film kasi very, very busy. And yun, when it comes to bodybuilding naman, medyo may dalang gigil yung ending ng prep, yung results ng prep. Kaya nagkaroon lang ako ng parang celebrations pa. Twice na pa-overeat ako, but after nun, spot on na I guess. More or less, added 100 calories lang sa cup ko on some days, but ayun, naglalaro ako between 1 to 2 pounds after show weight, which is good for baseline ng bulking. But ayun, I won't bore you guys na about any of the details na nangyari na sa past. And it's time for the present, and let's enjoy the ride. Growth, baby. Let's go. Siguro ang biggest contributor ng results ng prep is hindi ko, or aminado naman ako sa sarili ko na hindi ko nabigay yung all pagdating sa off-season, especially yung siguro a year going into prep. So, yung buong or latter 2022 up until early 2024, hindi ko nabigay yung training quality na intended talaga. So, some days, parang going through the motions, or at least, hindi ko talaga pinush yung sarili ko. And to parang address that, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na this off-season, magiging non-negotiable ko talaga yung training quality. So, to update you guys, yung ginagawa ko ngayon is early in the morning after breakfast, before going into work, magte-train na ako. Punta na kaagad ako sa gym and bigay ko talaga yung sarili ko sa training. Quality comes first, every rep, every set. And ginaya ko na rin si Grant. Dapat matagal ko na itong ginawa. Meron akong notebook tulog all my lifts and notes, reps, sets, ganyan, lahat. And ayun. Tapos yung split ko now is upper and full, tapos rest, upper, full, rest, paulit-ulit lang. And I've been working na with Lon nitong off-season. Nag-start na ako sa kanya right after competing sa WNBF. Nag-start na talaga kami. And so far, so good. Ayun. Isa rin na binago ko, or I guess ginaya ko rin to kay Grant. But ewan ko, napansin ko kasi na pag wala akong music, mas focused ako. Mas nabibilang ko yung reps, mas nabibigay ko yung sarili ko sa execution rather than hyping myself up. Tapos, wala. Hindi, parang minamadali ko yung rep, ganun. Basta parang mas nakakapag-focus ako ngayon pag wala akong music na pinapakinggan. Siguro dala na rin yun ng pagiging psycho siguro na results ng prep or talagang gigil or combination na ng lahat. But anyway, yun yung mga nangyayari lately pagdating sa training, and so far so good. So yun, today is an upper day, mainly chest and back, tas onting rear delts and abs. So yun, I'm gonna start training and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Chandler Bing. Sa chest ko ngayon magpagigil. Rest in peace, Matthew Perry. Dami sinabi. Okay, let's go. Up. Grabe talaga yung prep, guys. Parang, ewan ko kung dala na rin ba to ng competitive nature ko growing up. Kasi, yun nga, dahil parang mahilig talaga ako sa basketball and I love to compete. And I hate losing. So, nung end ng prep, parang sa lahat ng shows na sinalihan ko, wala nga akong placings. Parang sobrang nanggigil ako talaga. And alam mo yun, parang I still thank God na nangyari yun. Nangyari yung mga bagay na yun. Kasi yun nga, siguro na-mention ko dun sa last episode ng Vessel na it needed to happen. Na panggising siya. Na if I want to be really competitive dito sa bodybuilding, parang I still need a lot of work and I still need a lot of discipline, hindi lang sa, alam mo yun, sa training, but also sa mindset to be truly elite. Be truly, alam mo yun, parang angat ka talaga. Or parang to be up to the standard na meron sa competitive or sa competitive natural bodybuilding. So yun, super nanggigil talaga ako. Kaya ito, I'm documenting yung journey papunta dun sa gusto ko mapuntahan para makita ko talaga saan ako nag-start. Although, alam mo yun, malayo naman na. Yun nga yung end ng prep. Parang nag-usap kami ng mom ko. Sabi ko, ma, medyo na-disappoint ako. So, nag-sorry ako sa kanya kasi may days dun sa last few parts ng prep na parang hindi ko naman sa hindi nakakapasok or hindi nabibigay yung effort, but meron akong mga days na alam mo yun, hindi ako super into dun sa work namin. Which is nag-sorry nga ako. Sabi niya, okay lang yan, okay lang din yung results. Parang pinarealize niya sa akin na given my genetics, medyo malayo naman na. Kasi, yun not to mention yung dad ko, medyo on the bigger side. Tapos yung sa mom's side ko rin, medyo, yun nga, hindi naman lahat maganda, athletically built. Well, ako lang nga actually, I guess, sa buong pamilya namin. So, ayun, parang okay naman na. But syempre, parang considering dun sa gusto ko ma-achieve, malayo pa yung dapat kong gawin or malayo pa yung dapat kong ibigay para maging truly elite or truly competitive. Ayun. Hello guys, sorry it's been a week since nakapag-film ako ulit. So itong video na to medyo all over the place. But gusto ko lang i-reiterate yung magiging parang purpose nitong bagong series. This is to document my growth as a person, hindi lang basta sa bodybuilding, hindi lang basta sa mga passions, well, especially sa mga passions ko. And yeah, parang the vessel-ish pa rin siya, pero i-share ko na siguro yung other aspects ng life ko, like sa work, sa relationships, sa family, lahat. Wala, I hope mag-enjoy kayo. Itong video na to is to announce yung mga big moves, or ayoko naman sabing big moves kasi baka mag-expect yung mga tao or mag-expect kayo ng mga nanonood. But meron akong mga moves na pinaplan for next year na hopefully mag-step up dito sa mga passion projects ko, like sa paggawa ng content and sa bodybuilding. So hopefully by next year, yung mga moves na yun matuloy and magawa ko siya, ma-execute ko siya ng maayos. So I'm praying and I'm asking for guidance na magawa ko yun. But stay tuned for that. And ayun, basically that's the video. Medyo short siguro, or medyo ewan ko kung ano kakalabasan nito, but stick around if nag-enjoy kayo and if you see potential sa series na to. Sige, I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, this is Von Campos reminding you to follow your passion. Kahit na 0.1% progress lang everyday, okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. Growth, baby! Let's go.